In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and domain connections. Once you are inside Shopify, look to the lower left side of the screen and open Settings. From there, select Domains. This section is where Shopify lets you add, manage, and connect domains that you already own through another provider. This option is used when your domain was purchased somewhere outside of Shopify and you want to link it to your store. After that, enter your domain name in the field provided, then click Next. Make sure you type the domain carefully and correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. On the next screen, Shopify may give you the option to connect the domain automatically by logging in with your domain provider, or to continue with a manual setup. If that automatic option is available, you can use it for a quicker process. If not, click Connect manually. Manual connection means you will update your domain settings yourself through your domain provider account. Once you choose the manual option, Shopify will provide the DNS records that need to be connected. These records are what point your domain to your Shopify store. At this point, follow the Shopify prompts and make sure the required information matches the settings for your domain. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward, since incorrect DNS details are one of the most common reasons a domain does not connect right away. After that, go back in Shopify and click Verify Connection. This tells Shopify to check whether your domain settings are now pointing to the store correctly. In some cases, verification works within a few minutes. In other cases, it can take a bit longer because DNS changes may need time to update across the internet. If it does not verify immediately, wait a little while and try again. The main thing is to make sure you started in Shopify, opened Settings and Domains, selected Connect Existing Domain, entered your domain, chose the connection method, and then verified the connection. Once everything is confirmed, your domain will be linked to your Shopify store. That covers everything you need to know.